Your old buddy Dog here. This is just going to be a quick video. I downloaded the Photoshop beta and I wanted to use the generative AI feature, but it was grayed out. Couldn't figure out what was going on. Read a few forums posts. I was starting to get a bit frustrated, and then I read one guy said you need to enter your date of birth. And then you can do this just in your Google settings, because I use Google to sign in. I don't have a separate password and username for my Creative Cloud. So what I did was go to, I use Firefox, doesn't matter what you use. And then I go Google account, which is the first one that pops up, luckily. And I get this box over here, Jiffy Joe, hightrack@gmail.com. That's me. Manage your Google account. All right. Then I go over on the left here to personal info. And then I go to birthday right here. Click the arrow. And mine was set to choose who can see your birthday. Only you. No, 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 no. Make it anyone. I've already done this. And then save your changes. All right. And then you can close down Firefox. And what you want to do is load your Creative Cloud, fire it up. And this is what I did. Sign out. And then sign back in. Takes a couple of minutes or so. All right. And then go to Photoshop. I've already got mine loaded. And then go up to Help. And where it used to say sign in, and I clicked on sign in and it didn't do anything. Now it's automatically realized that I have an account with my date of birth listed, and it signed in for me. Sign out, but I'm signed in currently as hightrack@gmail.com. And this enabled my generative fill. So see, I can click on it now. And I go to generate image. You can I just wanted a new background for my little YouTube thumbnail, but if I type Basset Hound. Basset Hound. Click photo, because I want a photo. Click generate. Takes a second or two to find some Basset Hounds. Little spinny wheels over here. Oh, look at that. We got a Basset Hound. Oh, big old Basset Hounds. All right. So anyways, there's lots of videos on how to use the generative fill and all that kind of crapola, so I'm not going to worry about that. But anyway, this is what worked for me. If you're having problems, give it a go. You got nothing to lose. There was this other program people were talking about, Behance or Beyonce or whatever the frig it was called. I don't know. I don't want that kind of crap. This is, if I don't need it to make this work, I don't give a crap about it. So thanks for hanging out, guys. We'll talk to you later.